Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 828 and today's topic is Adamsite arsenic organic compound and that is commonly known as omitting agent. Also it is known as eye irritating agent and that is right mouth controlling agent, nausea agent. Lot of names are given, but actually it is arsenic organic compound and it was prepared during World War I, but it was not used in World War. Today it is widely used to control the riot mob or violent mob, to disperse them, because it is very effective on your eye, and also it can immediately cause nausea and you will immediately start vomiting. That's why it is also known as vomiting agent. So in this way the effective time is only 2 to 5 minutes. Within that time, first your eye will be very much irritated and then throat choking and nausea immediately, and finally you will start vomiting and it will be your feeling immediately to rush to hospital. So in this way this Adamsite, that is also known as DM or omitting agent, is very effective to control the mob, violence and riot mob. So here Adamsite, that is arsenic organic compound and that is commonly known as omitting agent. Number one, Adamsite is an arsenical organic compound belonging to the subgroup in capacitating agents known as omitting agents or sneezing gases. It was produced during the World War I but never deployed on the battlefield, and the related terms which are used for this Adamsite arsenic compound are: first it is known as arsine, then emetics, arsenic, irritating agent, riot controlling agent, etc. Number two, Adamsite, which is commonly given by DM symbol, is found as a crystalline compound and is almost insoluble in water. Usually it is dispersed as an aerosol and can also be made into candles, and which produce dense smoke while it is burning, containing the active agent, that is Adamsite. The color of crystals varies from bright yellow to dark green in color depending upon the purity. Number three, the exposure to this gas is by inhalation and direct skin or eye exposure to vapor. It is very effective for riot crowd control. It takes only 5 minutes to make eye very much irritated. You will get serious headache, nausea and finally vomiting. So here number four, that is Adamsite is actually diphenylamine chlorosin. So it is diphenylamine and arsenic chloride is attached, and that's why it is called Adamsite. Chlorosin is yellow crystalline solid and it is dispersed in the form of smoke and can cause acute nausea, vomiting, eye irritation, which persists for some time, but in the long run it has no ill effect, any dangerous thing. It can be prepared by reaction of diphenylamine with arsenic chloride. The reaction is given here. This is your diphenylamine you treat it with arsenic chloride, and arsenic chloride will be substituted here in between amino group, and it will be your atom site, and that atom site is nothing but it is diphenylamine chloracene. And this chapter is very interesting formulary, and police chemistry graduates, those who are preparing, who are controlling the crowd, riot crowd, and some violent people to manufacture this atom site that is called vomiting gas or nausea gas. So this is very, very interesting toxic chemical. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.